everybody, welcome back to the Crafty Nook. I have finished the space themed journal and it's time to do a flip through. So this is the cover. Okay, so this is one of the printables that I added to the cover. I put some brads and then this Tim Holtz chipboard piece. The side has a wood veneer, I think it's from Ellie Studio, with some wood veneer stars, a piece of that fabric. This is the sock that we started with, and an American flag star. So there's that. I have a little closure on the side that can be a little tricky. Okay, so let's open her up. So this has 4 signatures, so 40 total pages, which I think when you double ends up being 80. There's also a front and back pocket made with the fabric, and then this textured paper I got at Hobby Lobby. There are 2 of these envelopes that came with the kit in here, and then 1 tea stained, and so this has just extra bits for her. Just stick that in there. There's 4 of these. These are some Constellation playing cards that I picked up at Five Below. So I put 1 for Sagittarius because her and I are both Sagittarius, 1 Capricorn because our daughter is a Capricorn, and 1 for Leo because our son is a Leo. And then I put Phoenix in here. And they're just clipped on with these clips. So we have the moon, extra piece of that textured paper, and then another cut apart printable. So these, the papers in here are either from the kits that will be linked, or they're scrapbook paper, or coffee dyed paper. So let me zoom in just a little while I do it. The flip through. Start over. So just a little tuck spot made with that moon. I did some sewing on most of the pages that have a tuck spot. And then there's some old encyclopedia paper in here. I also added in some of these craft book corners. Turned this into a pocket. I originally tried to sew the signatures in. I did a hidden binding. I'd originally tried to sew the signatures in, but it just wasn't working, so I had to do a 3-hole pamphlet stitch, which I probably should have done a 5, but I think it'll be okay. And I attached them to a piece of blue seam binding. These digitals were just lovely. Belly band with some scrapbook paper. This is that tea stained card and envelope. She said she's going to use this for photos since she's not a junk journaler. Another pocket made with a printable. There's that other card. This is just put in there with photo corners, so she could change that out if she wanted. This is completely attached. The other half of that moon, as well as the other envelope. It's actually turned out way better than I expected. Olive. Did you come to hang out? I don't think you need up here. You can't have him. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I might steal this because it needs something. Another belly band made out of scrapbook paper. This is from the encyclopedia. It's got halogen on it. I tried to be kind of selective with the things that I picked. I think this is just stuck down all the way. Another pocket. Those dogs are ridiculous. And that is it. I think it turned out lovely. So there it is. The next journal I make, I'm going to start it tonight, will be a new journal for myself that I'm pretty excited about, using the Great Paper Gingham Garden collection that I just got from Frank Garcia. So thanks for hanging out in the Crafty Nook. I'll see you next time. Bye.